record in 3, 2, 1. Okay. How's it going, Cordelia?
Hi, I'm good. How are you doing?
Pretty good. How's your day been?
Good. I just woke up. I haven't really been doing anything today. It's the weekend, so there's not really much to do, but it's nice outside, so
Yeah,
um I might go outside later, do some stuff.
yeah, it is really nice outside. So how's your pregnancy going? Have you been to the doctor recently? Any like new news?
Yeah, I went to the doctor this week and they said I'm doing good. I'm 16 weeks, so like 4 months along now. So I guess I'm due in, what month is it? It's July, so August, September, October, November, December. I'm due in December.
Oh, okay, awesome. Do you want to know the gender of your baby, or are you gonna like make a surprise?
I don't really care. Like if they happen to tell me, they tell me.
Yeah.
But I'm not really like too like picky on like whether I want to know or don't want to know.
That makes sense. Do you, like if you had to guess, do you think you could tell if it's a boy or a girl or not really?
People have been telling me it's a girl because I like the position that my belly's in or
Oh,
something. Like
really?
it, yeah, like they just say that like boys sit lower in
Oh,
their
that's so
stomachs.
cool. Oh, well, I'm glad you came today. We talked a lot about your family last time and how things have kind of just been like stressful with your pregnancy, and your parents have just kind of like been kind of stressful because they're not super supportive of your situation. Um,
Hmm.
I was hoping that to like dive in deeper to that, I could have you like draw a picture of like a time you were really stressed out, and it could be like because of your family or something. And just draw a picture of like what was happening, like where you were or something like that.
Okay, you need me to grab a pen and paper?
Yeah, that'd be perfect. Thank you.
Okay. You said just draw a stressful time in my life.
Yeah, just think of like maybe like a time like this week or something you were like stressed out. Um, you could maybe like draw your parents if they were like making you stressed out, or like if you're in your house, could like draw your house in the background or something like that. So has this last week been a little bit stressful? Has anything kind of popped up?
Yeah, I started looking into housing
Mm-hmm.
options. So that was kind of stressful. Me and my parents were fighting about that because my mom thinks that I won't be able to like afford any place that I keep showing them, but they're not really helping me at all, like figure out places then or find any resources or anything.
Oh man. So it kind of seems like they're just kind of like not really helping out and just,
Yeah, no, not at all.
yeah, it seems kind of negative too if they're just like putting down all your choices. But hopefully
Yeah.
like in our next session we could like figure out some like cheap housing that's around this area. But yeah. So far what are you drawing right now?
Right now I have my mom and my dad yelling at me.
Oh, and what were they yelling at you for? Was it because of the housing like you were just talking about, or was it something else?
Yeah, they were yelling at me for the housing, like saying that I think that I'm more ready than I actually am, and that I don't actually have like the necessary resources to do anything.
Yeah. How did it make you feel when they were like saying like you're not ready for this? Like how did that make you feel?
It was super disheartening because like I'm the only one who's like doing anything about it. Like I'm the only one that's like actually trying to like make proactive steps towards like becoming independent because I don't really have a choice if I want to keep this baby.
That makes
So
sense. Yeah, it seems like you're just kind of like having to bear the load of like the whole situation and you're not really getting much
yeah.
help with it.
No, not at all.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad we could talk about that. I kind of wanted you to also do another activity. Um, so, with a new piece of paper, I was hoping that you could just make a collage of your true self. So that means just like your true self is like who you think you really are without anybody's like input or like without caring about what other people think. Like, um, you could put in like words like I'm smart, or you could put in like pictures or items that come to mind when you like think of yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have any questions?
Nope, I think that's pretty easy.
Okay, good. Yeah, it can sometimes be hard to think of things, but just trying to think like surface level, like who you are, can kind of help.
I'm really bad at drawing. Sorry.
No, that's okay. I am too. So what do you think like some words would be if you like had to describe yourself?
I think I'm funny.
Funny.
I'm really caring about people.
That's good.
Like I care a lot about what others,
Mm-hmm.
like others' well-being.
Yeah.
Um, I'm resourceful.
Yeah. How would you say you're resourceful?
Like I make the best out of like situations that I'm given. Like we didn't always grow up with like the most money,
Uh-huh.
and there were some times where I'd go like a couple days without my mom like giving us food and stuff, and so I was resourceful when it came to that, and
Mm-hmm.
like finding my own food and kind of just I guess surviving on my own.
Yeah. It seems like you must be pretty strong to have gone through all of that. Not being able to eat,
Mm,
I couldn't imagine that. That must have been terrible.
Thank you. But here's a little collage that I made so far.
Okay.
It says resourceful, family, or not family, funny, caring, smart. Um,
Okay.
and then there's like my dog and a
Aw.
baby.
What kind of dog do you have?
I have a bulldog.
Aw. How old is it?
She's 3.
Aw, that's really cute. Does she
Yeah.
make you happy or does she ever help out like in stressful events?
Yeah, she makes me happy. She's really nice to like cuddle with and stuff. She's really loving.
Aw, that's sweet. All right. Well, am so happy that you were able to express that to all me. I think that in our next session, we'll probably be talking about termination because we've been seeing each other for a while. Do you have any questions?
No, I think I'm good.
Awesome. Well, should we show up same time next week?
Yeah, sometime next week works perfectly fine.
Awesome. Thank you. Well, have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
Bye.
Bye.